This video is for group fitness instructors who are either teaching online or are ready to make the shift online. I have loved teaching online because the community is still there, the energy is still there, the love of the music is still there. I have been using Zoom to teach my fitness classes for the past 8 months, and I still really like it. I have done tons of research on other platforms. However, a lot of other platforms take anywhere from 9 to 20% of your revenue. So I still think that the $15 investment for Zoom is really what I needed for my business right now. Another pro is that everybody can see each other. I highly recommend logging on to Zoom 5 minutes before so that you can talk to your participants and your participants can talk to each other and really get to know each other. Another reason I really like Zoom is because you can share your music directly through the computer so it comes out crystal clear for your participants. Today, I'm going to walk you through step by step how to share your music through the computer, through Zoom, and how they can also hear your voice. Subscribe to my channel if you want more instructor tips. I'm going to upload a new video every week. Leave a comment below if you have specific questions about online instructing or group fitness teaching in general. First step is that you use Bluetooth headphones. I don't have mine connected to my computer right now, but if I did, I would go to the arrow next to mute, and then I would select my Bluetooth headphone under speaker. Then you're gonna also wanna use an external microphone so that when you move back, they can still hear you just as clear as if you were right in front of the screen. So you can either use your Bluetooth headphone as a microphone, or you can use an external mic. I'm using a Rode mic, so I just have it connected right to my sports bra, and it stays in place. So then from there, you are gonna press the green button that says share screen, and then you're gonna press advanced, music or computer sound only, and then press share. So at the top, it should say you are sharing computer sound. And then you're gonna go to your either Spotify, Apple Music, however you listen to music on your computer. And you're gonna wanna make sure that your music volume is halfway. So that's where the Bluetooth headphones come in so that you can hear your music. And you're gonna keep that music volume lower so it's not overpowering through their computer and they can still hear your volume. Once you press play, it's gonna sound like it's coming directly through their speakers. So again, I would highly recommend having an external mic and Bluetooth headphones. This is a great feature on Zoom. So if you are teaching a class that you are cueing on the beat, everybody is able to move at the same beat. Another great thing about Zoom is that you can press record. So you can either send out that video to participants who couldn't make it live, or you can repurpose that video for any social media content. Thank you guys so much. I am more than happy to answer any of your questions. Subscribe to my channel. I will be dropping a brand new tip video every week for you.